In this tutorial, we will show you how you can efficiently and consistently finalize your documents using Empower. With the help of Empower's finalization tools, you can put the finishing touches on your document in no time. That's why we've integrated the most important features of Word into our new ribbon and enhanced them with the features of Empower itself, so you have a streamlined experience that aligns with your workflow. Of course, you are able to check the document regarding the native Word options for editor, view document properties, and update all fields. With these, you can check spelling and make corrections, change or add certain information in the document properties, as well as update them. Using Empower, you additionally have the option to finalize the document using our document check, so it does comply with all of your company's consistency rules with just a few clicks. To use the document check, click on the Check drop-down menu within the Finalization group of the Empower ribbon and select Document Check. Alternatively, you can also select the document check via the Quick Access pane. The Quick Access pane opens automatically and shows you, depending on your company settings, all the errors detected by the document check that are still present in your document. In this tutorial, we want to show you the most common errors regarding text highlighting, font size and color, the font itself, and spaces and breaks. Keep in mind that Empower checks more or less errors depending on your company's settings. Once the document check has run, you can either autocorrect the violations depending on the type or extend the category of this violation type to get more information on where to find this specific violation. Therefore, click on the small blue arrow on the left-hand side and you will find more information to each violation detected. So let's take a closer look at the individual error types. First, text highlighting. The text highlighting violation occurs when a text highlighting color is used in the document. You can then check where exactly this color can be found in the document. For errors related to spaces and breaks, a violation occurs if there are more than a certain number of spaces in a row. In this case, 9 spaces are allowed to be in a row, although this number may vary depending on the consistency rules of your company's corporate design. Of course, you may have more information on where this violation occurs using the drop-down menu. Font size. This error occurs when a different font size is used in your document than the one specified in the consistency rules of your corporate design. Again, we can get more information about the error by expanding the menu and seeing exactly where the violations occurred. We can then set a new font size for all or just for some of the violations in that category by selecting the font size to be corrected and choosing a new font size from the corporate design. The same applies for the font itself. For errors concerning the font color, we distinguish between two cases. If a color is not part of the corporate design but deviates only by 10% upwards or downwards from the stored RGB values, this color can be corrected automatically by Empower. Empower then uses a color from the corporate design that is closest to the color used. Of course, you can edit the color manually too if needed. If the font color is again one that is far away from the colors of the specified corporate design, Empower then asks the user to choose a color as a substitute within the corporate design and displays that manual correction is required. So let's autocorrect the violations here to show you how this works too, and click on Autocorrect All Errors. As you can see, Empower automatically adjusts the font size and font itself, as well as removes the highlighting and the spaces used. For the aforementioned color that is too far away from the colors of the corporate design, we have to select a substitute manually. So let's choose black here and adjust the color easily. Now feel free to test these functions yourself and save valuable time. If you have any further questions, please feel free to contact us.